Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Lemonade Renters Policy with evidence uploads, complete guide step by step clearly. To install a Lemonade Renters Policy, first, visit the Lemonade website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to enter your address. Fill in your current address in the designated field. Next, specify the type of renter's insurance you need. Choose the coverage amount that suits your needs. After selecting your coverage, click on Continue. You will need to create a Lemonade account. Input your email address and create a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to access your application. Now, you will enter your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Provide details about your living situation, such as whether you live alone or with roommates. You may also need to answer questions about your property, like its value and any special items. After filling out this information, click on Continue again. Next, you will review your coverage options and premiums. Make sure to read through the details carefully. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking Get Your Quote. This will generate your renter's policy quote. Review the quote thoroughly before proceeding. If you agree with the terms, click on Continue to the Payment section. Select your preferred payment method and enter your payment details. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Now, prepare to upload any required evidence. Log into your Lemonade account and go to the Evidence Upload section. Here, you can submit photos of your valuable items or any other requested documents. Make sure your uploads are clear and in the correct format. After uploading, click Submit to finalize your evidence. Wait for a confirmation that your evidence has been received and processed. Once confirmed, your renter's policy will be active. You can access your policy documents anytime in your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.